My name is Stephanie Schriock. I'm the president of Emily's List. And as many of you know, Emily's List is an organization dedicated to electing Democratic women to office up and down the ballot. And what we do is provide our candidates with the training and resources they need to win winning campaigns. And in fact, over 28 years, as Joanne knows well, every one of them, Emily's List has helped elect 19 women to the United States Senate, 101 women to the House of Representatives, and 10 governors, and hundreds of women to state and local offices. So we've had some success over those 28 years. But I still often get asked the question, why does it matter? Why just elect women? And after I swallow really hard, I lean in, as many would say, and talk about the many changes brought about by the voices of women in Congress. Those are the leading voices on a campaign much tougher than any election battle, the one to end breast cancer by 2020. Now, breast cancer, as you all know, touches too many families in the United States, including my own. And my grandmother, who's still with us at 93 years old in Mason City, Iowa. No, we're just talking about some Iowa folks. Yeah. There we go. I knew there were some Iowa folks right here. 93, has 4 daughters, and 2 are proud breast cancer survivors, and 1 other, my mother, who was taken at 59 by the disease. So I know personally the courage it takes to have that mastectomy, then go through the chemo and the radiation and the trials and the hopes and the fears. You know, my mother's courage inspires me every day to keep fighting, every day. And I have had the honor and the blessing to see the same courage in the cancer survivors that Emily's List has helped elect to office. Women like Debbie Wasserman Schultz, who underwent 7 major surgeries, all while serving in Congress. Women like Rosa DeLaura, who survived ovarian cancer. These women are more than just examples of courage. They are examples of making change. They not only conquered their own challenges, but are working, as you are, to make sure the next generation of women don't have the same challenges. These are women who champion the end of drive-through mastectomies. These are women who champion the health care reform. The reform that increased insurance coverage for breast cancer screenings, providing millions of women with free and potentially life-saving mammograms. The reform that prevents breast cancer survivors from being discriminated against in the insurance market. The reform that prohibits insurance companies from having a lifetime coverage cap, keeping families who are fighting cancer from also fighting financial insecurity. That's what these women fought for. And that's how I answer the question on why it's important to elect women to office. It changes the conversation they're having at the table, and it changes policy. And these women know what we all know, that bringing more women into the process benefits everything and everyone, because there's a difference between being talked about and talking. Our numbers are growing, our voices are growing louder, but we still aren't where we need to be. I mean, just a reminder, women are 19% of Congress today. The United States currently ranks 77th in the world for female participation in politics. 77.
Whoa.
Even Iraq and Afghanistan rank higher than us.
That's pretty sad. That's really very sad.
Imagine, just imagine what a Congress that has 30, 40, 50% women would mean to our society. If we had a Congress that looked like America, maybe we'd be solving the problems that American families are facing. Now, here's the good news. Emily's List and other organizations are building for that moment when we have that Congress. And in 2012, the American people send a message. They elected more women to Congress than ever before, shattering glass ceilings across the country and making it clear that this is a country that is ready for women's leadership. And there is a growing movement for women's leadership in this country, from mayors to governors, and yes, soon, the White House.
Yay!
Women are running, women are winning, and women are changing our future. And electing women will not only help this cause, our cause, it will work to increase wages for women, increase all kinds of healthcare and education, and so much more that we need in this society. So we have seen what women are capable of, and we know we have much further to go. But I have no doubts that we will get there if we get there together. So thank you for having me here today.
Thank you, Stephanie.